Hey y'all, it's hot outside and I know you still need to go into the office or be in professional settings or religious type settings where you need to dress appropriately, but you don't want to pile on too many clothes. I have 5 items that you should add to your wardrobe that will be your corporate summer staple. Let's go ahead and get into it. Most of these items are going to be a breathable material, but I do have one polyester that is snuck in, and I'll tell you why when I get to it. First up is going to be this dress here from Banana Republic Factory, and if you want to see more details and more commentary about the outfit, make sure you click the ... as well as or expand out the box, the description box, and the link to my website that will take you directly to these items will be there. Okay. Now, like I said, you have the waist detail. This is a button up top, and I love spending money once on something, but I can wear it in a multitude of ways. Not only can you wear this outfit to work, but you can wear it on the weekend. You can wear it a bunch of have different options while you're wearing it. Make sure you check out my website and you'll see the information there. Let me know what you think about this first one. This next one up is not going to be appropriate in professional settings, at least for women who are probably above the height of 5'5", I would say, and because of the length of it. Obviously, in professional settings, you want something to at least come to your knees in order for it to be work appropriate, church appropriate, etc. Now, I do really love this because it is a great option for girls like me, other people who are shorter. You have that crisscross in the front detail, which is nice. You have the wrap around the waist, which will give you that definition there. This is great, and it's airy. It's also a breathable material. It's either made with linen or cotton. I can't remember, but you should be seeing it on the screen. I also like that all of the pieces that I'm showing you today are available from an extra small to a 2X. Now, I understand that a 2X may not fit everyone that is watching this video, but as I continue to do these styling series, I will be adding more versatile and extended size options out there, as well as for different heights as well. So just stick with me, subscribe, and let's move on to the next one. All right, quick PSA here just to say thank you so much for watching this video, especially if you're at this point. You've seen 2 options that have gone by. My name is India with Fashion Home Life by E. I definitely enjoy fashion, and I work in corporate America currently. So I do have some background and personal experience with needing to dress appropriately. I've been a manager. I also am a Christian, so I go to church regularly as well, and I definitely have experience with I will wear something to work and I'll get a compliment, or I'll have a friend and family member ask me where they got something from, or ask me to find something for them or find that exact item. So I have a lot of personal experience with styling and dressing appropriately, things like that. And just because you are covered does not mean you can't look fantastic, does not mean it has to be boring, but we definitely want that versatility with it. So just a little spill on me, and also a thank you for watching. Just keep on watching. All right, and go ahead and the like up button. Go ahead and hit the like button, which is the thumbs up. Let's try to get this out. If you are enjoying this video, if you're at this point, just go ahead and hit it now. All right, this open sweater top is perfect for the summertime, as well as when you go into the fall time frame, especially depending on where you live. This one is going to be great because of the large openness of the knit. It's going to allow it to be breathable for you when you are headed to work, or when you need to run over to get lunch or meet with someone and you need to leave the office. But we all know offices are usually very cold. The long sleeves are going to help with that too, so you get the best of both worlds with this. And like I said, in the fall you can do some more with this styling, especially on the weekends. And I think this is a good option, especially if you work inside an office. And yeah, this one comes in a bunch of colors as well, so make sure you check out the different options that are there. This one, I think it has the most range of colors out of everything that I'm showing you today. Oh, also, if you like my beautiful scarf here, I did handcraft this myself, and you will see that the details in the description box too if you want to see more details on this beautiful scarf. Okay, this is the one that is not a breathable material like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, which is this polyester top. I typically do not suggest, to be fair, I have polyester pieces. I try not to suggest 100% nor buy 100% polyester pieces. Like I said, try. I don't know how you all feel on the whole natural fabric type of train or thought process, but this one is polyester. If you're like, oh my gosh, why? And I'll just explain really quickly why I picked this one. I really like the kind of pleating detail towards the front. It's very subtle, and I like that it has a clip in the middle where you can open it if you want to show a little bit more skin outside of work, or you can close it up, which I think gives you that versatility as well as the sizing option. So that is why I picked this one, even though I would not consider polyester, for the record, as a breathable material. You're probably thinking, isn't this very similar to the first dress? It is, but obviously you can see there's two big things that are different with this one than the first dress. The first dress had sleeves. This one is sleeveless. Depending on your work environment or where you're going to wear this, you may need to wear a cardigan or layer it over something, depending on, you know, your current situation, where you're going, pretty much. Also, I love that the thicker waist helps as well, because sometimes depending on your body frame, you may need a thinner tie waist versus a thicker one. And I really like the feature of this thicker tie waist and wanted to include this one in the options as well because of that. There are a few colors of this one available. It looks like about 4 colors. So make sure to check out my website and click that link so I can take you directly to the location in Banana Republic Factory where you can get this piece. For my skirt people, we have a linen rayon blend skirt. This skirt reminds me of the 90s, which I know as far as style goes, we are in that phase and have been in that phase for a few years now anyway. But this front button-up skirt is going to be perfect for breathability, for you being comfortable as well, because it's going to still give you that free flowing. For me, my easy style staple, especially in the summertime, is a dress. A skirt would be next up, but a dress is easy because it's an outfit maker. The skirt is going to be easy flowing. So for my folks that like skirt, this is definitely going to be like skirts is what I should say. This is definitely going to be very appropriate for professional or religious settings because it is longer. It comes way past your knees. It's like a midi length skirt, or it could be maxi depending on how tall you are. And this one will work well for the warmer months that we are in right now. Thank you so much for watching this video with Fashion Home Life by E. Make sure you check out my other videos that I have, and as well as my website. Thank you so much, and leave your comments down below. I would love to talk to you in the comments, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.